Oh my God, yeah, we should turn around.
Take your time, I didn't want to scratch that new motorcycle.
Oh, shit. Yeah. Ridiculous. Ooh, you know what we should do? Have you ride this and tell us what you think. You want to try it?
Sure.
Okay, let's find a good spot so we don't get ran over by some intoxicated hunters. So as promised, Jerry's going to ride the Tenere and tell us what he thinks. He's usually riding the Tiger 800 XC.
It's so big.
Oh yeah, I'm a lot closer to the ground, aren't I? This is weird. And this is also much lower.
Yeah, it really is, isn't it? It's
Weird.
Sure
I did not realize that.
Yeah, sure seems high enough when you're on it. Okay, my 25-yard 10 things I hate about the Yamaha Tenere. It's really easy to ride.
Yeah, it's surprising.
All right, can you tell the difference?
Yeah, this front end is kind of, I don't know, it's not like, I think you'd say that bike is flickable, where this one is definitely not. I mean, it rides like a sport bike. I guess I always said that, but like, I thought that thing kind of rode like a sport bike, but no, I mean, no offense, but I don't know how you ride this through any of that stuff.
I can't believe how the front end just doesn't go anywhere.
It feels like your front tire is like flat or something, which I don't think it is. But yeah, I cannot believe how different that was. I always remember jumping on this from the KLR and thinking like it really wasn't that different. But oh my gosh, this is different.
It really is. This thing is, God, I'm shocked. I rode it on the road before when you were laid up, but yeah, this thing is really nice.
So you buying one?
Probably. Well, it just doesn't float around. My hands are just like sitting on the handlebars, where I wasn't gripping real hard on that one and this stuff, but I'm not doing anything.
Yeah. I mean, this is by no means a terrible off-road bike or anything. I mean, it's still a great machine, but yeah, it is amazing how different it is. When I got on that, I thought this feels like the Tiger, but now I would not say that at all. I would say that's incorrect. That's so different.
I wonder if a little bit of the tires or no?
I mean, I'm sure that has something to do with it, but I bet you if we both had the same tires, it wouldn't be that much different than it is now.
What's the RPM limit?
7, I think.
Oh,
something like that. Yeah, and it just says you're not supposed to. It doesn't even actually. I don't even know if it even gave one. It just said to stay low on the thing and not to go at high RPMs for any extended amount of time. So I don't know what that means. I've just kind of been taking it easy, sort of. Ooh, you hit your own bike. What? I said you hit your own bike.
I threw a rock.
Yeah. Yeah, I think this thing maybe. I guess I don't know if it feels like it has more power or not. That thing's a lot more grunty, but...
Oh, I gotta get me one of these. If I still have a job in the springtime, I'll buy one. Which way are we going? Probably want your bike back.
I think maybe let's try left and see how bad that is.
Yeah, the height is fine.
The what? The height?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, I think if the seat wasn't so wide, it wouldn't feel so tall, and I think I might do a lower seat on it.
Even these ruts are like nowhere near how hard I'm fighting on that thing.
Yeah, you definitely, fighting is a good word. I think it definitely takes more effort.
What the? They're the same weight. I think 450, right? Oh, mine's actually 500 pounds.
Oh, is it? Yeah, that's 450, I think. I don't know if that's wet or I don't know if that's wet or dry though. Yeah, this, I don't know if it's because it's more top heavy, but when it starts to go one way or the other, it like wants to keep going that way.
You're kidding.
That bike, I mean, I'm sure that bike does a little bit, but not near as much. Yeah, you really...
No, just like crossing ruts and stuff. On mine, I would be hanging on like crazy.
Yeah, it definitely tries to lean you over.
Yeah, just driving up this crap. And that bump was amazing too.
Yeah, it's a heck of a bike. People complain about, you know, they took too long to come out with it, and there's a bunch of, you know, stuff that's wrong with it. Which, I mean, admittedly, there are some design flaws in it, but I mean, any bike can have that. Left, I think.
Wow.
But yeah, it does pretty good. Those Motas tires help too.
Just like crossing the ruts and then going a little bit sideways when you get across them. It's just like, and I don't feel nervous at all sitting right here. I mean, it just seems like it goes where you want it to better.
For sure.
I'm bummed. I'm fighting my ass off back there and you're freaking laughing at me. Yeah, this is amazing. I gotta get me one of these. Maybe if I lose my job, I'll get one. That's a good thing about being old. You got money in the bank.
Yeah, true.
Hopefully. Yeah, this is something. You're just crowning off on these things, you know, that I'm like fighting to get to.
Yeah, and this, I mean, I'm right behind you. It's not like I'm
Whoa!
having Woo!
Puddle, big puddle. Wow. I want somebody else to go.
Yeah. Yeah, it's not like I'm doing like terrible on this. I mean, I'm right behind you, but I mean, I'm working a lot harder than I would be. And yeah, you got to anticipate the ruts tossing from side to side, because you got to be ready to kind of catch the bike and counter steer and get it to go where you want it to. Weird. But again, I mean, this bike is not designed for the same thing that bike is necessarily. I mean, they're both ADV, but they're not. I mean, this is meant for more cross-country stuff where that's a little bit more dirt-oriented. Oh my God, yeah, this thing is hard to manage.
Yeah, are you in a rut?
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah, it just kind of kicked me, and yeah, you keep saying you shouldn't be grabbing the bars as tight as you are, but I don't know if that's the case. You gotta hang on with this. Well, oh my gosh.
I got my feet down, but if I was on that thing, I'd be walking right now.
Yeah.
And I could stand up. I just don't want to dump your bike. Oh boy. Whew. Oh, my arms are still getting a little tired.
Yeah, and I mean, this is kind of weird terrain to be on regardless, but yeah, and this, I mean, this bike really is getting us going. You want to take a break?
Yeah.
Yeah, we should actually probably switch back, to be honest. I don't really feel all that comfortable with my tender foot. Oh. I don't want to dump it. You can make it?
I'm just trying to catch the bike if it starts to go over. Looks good. Yeah, that's quite a difference. You can shut it off?
You can leave it going, I guess. Is there anything else you want to say about it? What do you?
Oh, that's
your parting thoughts.
No, it just seems like it floats a lot more, and it's not as affected by the contour you're riding on.
Yeah.
Where mine, I don't know if the front end is that much heavier or what. 50 pounds is not that much. 5 gallons of gas is almost 50 pounds, and if you ride it empty, it ain't gonna be much different than it is.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that thing is better in the dirt.
We should I'll pull this up next to it to get a thumbnail, but yeah, thanks for doing that. It worked out nice. I've kind of been meaning to do that and didn't think we'd get to do it this year, but
yeah.
Look at that, we did.
Mine's still faster on the road.
It is.
Which means nothing. I had enough speeding tickets.
Okay. All right, well, I guess this might very well be it for the year. So thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and wait until next spring. We'll be doing plenty more videos on the Tenere, and maybe Jerry's Tenere too.
Hope so. I'm not going to buy a black one, though.
No? What color are you going to get?
I don't
Red
know.
or blue?
Probably white, black. The blue one doesn't look right.
No, I don't like the blue rims.
And the red one, too. They got too much white on them.
Yeah.
So, I don't know. We'll see. Probably.
All right, guys. Well, have a good winter.